Good day everyone. This is our opinion, grade 11 student. And for today, we are going to learn the first common competency in computer system servicing, which is entitled Applying of Quality Standard. Before we start, let us know the learning objectives that are set for us to learn as we go along the presentation. At the end of this module, the learner shall be able to apply quality standards in computer system servicing. First, assess quality of received materials. 2. Assess own work. And lastly, engage in quality improvement. The first thing that we need to do in applying quality standard is to assess quality of received materials. These are the factors that must be taken into consideration when choosing the right material for their components and assemblies. Number 1 that must consider is the selection of material. Number 2, testing of material. And last, cost of material. So, let us study it one by one. Okay, let's go first with number 1, selection of material. Material selection is one of the most common tasks for design engineering. The ability to assess the material's impact on the performance of a product is crucial for reliable performance. Example of it is, if you are going to buy a printer, the most commonly brand that we are going to buy is HP, Canon, Epson for printer, Intel for some computer hardware. Because the reason for that is that sometimes buyers are also considering the label or the name of the company which are producing great quality of materials and are known in the market. So, let's proceed with number 2. Testing of material. The testing of material properties is widely understood to be the key to obtaining data for a project, performing failure analysis, or understanding material interactions. Material testing also provides information on the quality of incoming and outgoing products. The purpose of the testing of material is it provides the participants with both knowledge of the common failure cost. Let's proceed with the last one, which is cost of material. The cost of material is also considered when buying or selecting materials for a specific project. The amount may vary but never taken for granted the quality and the reliability of the material. You have to consider this question if you are going to buy a material. Number 1 question is, will you buy material which is less expensive but worse in quality? Or will you buy material which you cannot afford? So, those are the questions that you need to ask yourself before buying a material. Because people look for places which can meet the standards and right cost for materials. Always remember that the characteristic of common materials are increased security is also a great factor in the design and planning process. Evaluation of longevity criteria and assessment of site environmental factors are vital to project planning. Before planning and designing takes place, you should evaluate the material options and system requirements. This means that the characteristic of the materials to be used for a specific project must be, of course, number 1, good quality. Next, reliable. Next, suitable for the application or purposes. And last, low cost.